Holden offers a smart system to help you be more aware while changing lanes. Side Blind Zone Alert warns you if a vehicle is in your side blind spot. Lane Change Alert warns you if a vehicle is rapidly approaching in the next lane over. The system uses hidden radar sensors in the rear corners of the vehicle. When in forward gear, these sensors look for moving vehicles behind the side mirror in the next lane over. When a vehicle is detected in the side blind zone, an amber icon is displayed in the side mirror. This icon will flash to give extra warning if the turn signal is activated toward the detected vehicle. Likewise, when a fast approaching vehicle is detected in the lane change zone, the icon will appear in the side mirror. If your turn signal is activated toward the detected vehicle, the icon will flash, giving you extra warning. This feature can be turned off using the vehicle menu setting. Remember, before making a lane change, you still need to check your mirrors, glance over your shoulder, and use your turn signals.